Hey everyone, welcome. Planning to top up your Revolut accounts from your Ink bank? Whether you're in Germany, in the Netherlands or the UK, this quick guide will walk you through the easy steps. So open your Revolut app and go to the Home tab. Tap Add Money, then select Bank Transfer. Revolut will provide your account details. After that, choose Transfer Method, Ideal or Faster Payments. For NL users, use Ideal for a direct top-up. From Ink, instant and free. For UK users, use Ink's faster payments or open banking integration. Transfers usually arrive same day, but can take up to a day for the first time due to fraud checks. Go to Ink's app or online banking, select New Payments or Ideal, and choose Revolut from the payee list. Enter the amounts, confirm, and authorize the payments. Open your Revolut app again, tap the transfer notification, and confirm receipt. Your funds should appear instantly or within a couple of hours. And that's how to transfer money from Ink to Revolut, fast, easy, and secure. Guys, if you enjoyed this video and it helped, press like on the video and of course subscribe. And also you may leave your feedback about this process in the comments or if you have any questions. See you soon and thanks for watching.